In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to customize iOS 26 lock screen. Let's get started. First, head over to the lock screen. Now press and hold on anywhere on the screen, then click on the option Customize. Now you are able to make some changes. First up, you can select the profile picture. For that, click on the option Choose Photo. Your gallery will open up, select the picture of your choice and set it. Now in the picture, you can use special effect likewise depth effect. Also, you can zoom in or zoom out the profile picture. Likewise, you are able to customize the size of the clock. Clicking on the clock, you are able to select font and color for it. Likewise, click on the option Add Widget. Now you can go through the apps available over here and add the widget of any of the app. Next up, you can customize these controls. You can remove these and add a new control. For that, you'll need to click on this minus icon, click on this plus option. Now, select the control that you want to add to your lock screen. Once you are done, click on the option Done given at the top right. And that's it. This way you can easily customize iOS 26 lock screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.